APIs play a crucial role in how we use software and applications. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what APIs are, how they work, and how you can use them to your advantage. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's essentially a set of protocols, routines, and tools for building software applications. An API provides a way for different software systems to communicate with each other. Think of an API as a waiter at a restaurant. You give your order to the waiter, who then passes it on to the kitchen. In this analogy, the waiter is like an API, acting as the middleman between you and the kitchen. Similarly, an API acts as a bridge between two different software applications, allowing them to interact and share information with each other. Whether it's requesting data, executing a function, or updating records, APIs are the backbone of modern software. APIs use a set of rules and protocols to communicate with each other. These rules dictate how information is shared, what data can be requested, and how it should be returned. For example, let's say you're using a social media app to browse through your feed. The app is using an API to retrieve data from the social media company's servers. The API will receive your request for data, check its database for that information, and send it back to your app in a format that it understands. One of the great things about APIs is that they are standardized, which means that developers can build their programs to work with any API that follows the same rules. This makes it easy for different programs to work together seamlessly. There are countless ways to use APIs in your daily life, whether you're a developer or a regular user. APIs are used in everything from weather apps to social media platforms to e-commerce sites. As a developer, you can use APIs to build applications that integrate with other services. For example, you could build an app that uses a payment processing API to allow users to make purchases without leaving your app. As a regular user, you might not even realize that you're using APIs all the time. When you use a navigation app to find the quickest route home, that app is using an API to access real-time traffic data. When you book a hotel room through an online travel agency, that agency is using APIs to connect to different hotel reservation systems. In conclusion, APIs are a critical part of modern software development and usage. They enable different applications to work together seamlessly, making it easier to build complex systems that provide users with valuable services and data. Whether you're a developer or a regular user, understanding how APIs work can help you take advantage of the power of the internet and build better software. So next time you use an app or website, remember that there's probably an API powering it behind the scenes.